Hey, Steve from Steve M Outdoors, and today an unboxing video. Nothing new to this channel, but a different kind of subscription box, one that's geared exclusively to owners of Jeeps. Now at this point I think that subscription boxes are a lot like pornography on the internet. No matter what kind of weirdness you're into, there's probably a box or porn that caters to it. So I was watching Jeep videos on YouTube back in January when I came across an older unboxing video for a subscription box called J-Wave. And you can find a link below in the description, which is shipped out of Corpus Christi, Texas. Being a sucker for almost anything Jeep, I decided to subscribe myself and see if it was worth it. It costs $35 a month US, plus $10 shipping, so not exactly a huge investment. And you can tailor your profile to note your gender, clothing size, what kind of Jeep you have, and what you use it for. Now, I don't know how much that influences what you actually get in your box, but maybe it points to some kind of future customization. It seems that J-Wave is a recently launched box, at least judging by the relative lack of unboxing videos on YouTube. So J-Wave is supposed to ship the 15th of each month, but the February box didn't ship until the 25th because of an issue with a supplier. So even though it's March when this is being recorded, it is last month's box, I think. Anyway, let's get into it. As always, the box has been cut open to ease with filmification, but I have not looked inside because I'm just as eager as you to see what's in this beautiful Jeep goodness. And on the side you see a logo, the old classic Jeep Wave. If you're a Wrangler owner, you know exactly what that means. Anyway, let's talk more rock. Let's get into this. Alright. Ooh, I can already sense there's clothing goodness in this. J-Wave, okay. Well, not a lot in here. Okay. A red t-shirt, not exactly my color. And it's got the J-Wave logo, and it says, if you don't wave, do you really own a Jeep? Well, that's arguable. Okay, so there's a t-shirt. Alright, we got that. We got a card. GP grip. Okay, so it's with easy access pocket. Is this an advertisement? Yes, it appears to be an advertisement, so you don't actually get one. Oh, that kind of sucks. And another card. Oh, no, what's this? GPCA, trunk full of freedom. Oh, okay. So apparently you can customize your trunk and you get $10 off. There's your code if you care. Alright, what else do we got here? Holy Mother of Christ. Well, we got ourselves a D-ring receiver hitch. Okay, well, if you need one, you got one now. Okay. Oh my. And what's this? GPCA Remove Before Adventure Keychain. Oh, looks like stuff can open. Oh, okay. GPCA logo. Remove Before Adventure. Okay, cool. I already gonna have stuff on my keychain. I don't know if I'll be adding stuff, but alright, cool. Alright, well that's it. 2 items this month. And they've got my no, that's just for that. Okay, so 2 items. So in this month's box for $35, you get one t-shirt, red, with if you don't wave, do you really own a Jeep? And apparently questions no longer require question marks. The grammar Nazi in me is going crazy. You get your keychain, Remove Before Adventure, and you get a substantial weight D-ring receiver hitch, universal fit, made in China, Rampage. Okay, well, it's a well-known product. Okay, so that was quick. Usually there's more stuff in subscription tackle boxes, but it's a $35 box, and Jeep parts ain't cheap. Yeah. Okay, so the value The t-shirt is valued at $24.99 US. The keychain $6.99. It's a little extreme. And the D-ring shackle kit for a 2-inch receiver is $42.38 for a total value of $74.36. And the box, like I said, costs a grand total of $45 with shipping. Is it worth it? Well, it's kind of hard to judge based on one box. The other box that I saw before had more stuff in it, but it was lower priced items. So, out of Steve M Outdoors' patented 3-thumb system, I'm going to give this 2 thumbs up, which I guess translates to 66%. Only because not sure how useful a D-ring is going to be to me at the moment. The t-shirt, it's okay, I don't mind it. The keychain, well, it's a keychain. Yeah, we'll see. But I mean, 2 thumbs up out of 3 isn't horrible. I'm going to wait to see more boxes as they come in before I make an actual judgment on the value of the box. But this month's box, 2 out of 3. At any rate, I hope you enjoyed the video and found it informative. If so, please feel free to give the video a thumbs up or share it. Liked what you saw in the box? Hated it? Leave a comment below with what you thought about it. Finally, you can find both links to both my Twitter and Facebook pages in the description. Please feel free to check them out. As always, have a great day, and Jeep wave. That's me pretending to drive a Jeep and giving the wave.